trying to take control, but the fire of freedom burning bright tonight. No chains can hold when we stand and fight. From the hills to the city, voices rise as one. Justice shining brighter than the morning sun. No fear in the heart of the righteous man. We walk together with a higher plan. Stand up for the truth today. Let the music guide your way. Freedom calling through the sound. Roots and justice all around. Stand up, don't turn away. Let your spirit lead the way. When the people unite as one, the battle for love is already won. Hear the rebel guitar cry through the night, every note carrying just pure light. From Kingston streets to the world so wide, truth and courage walking side by side. No more silence, no more shame. Every soul deserves a name. Rise like thunder, strong and proud. Let your message ring out loud. Stand up for the truth today. Let the music guide your way. Freedom calling through the sound. Roots and justice all around. Stand up, don't turn away. Let your spirit lead the way. When the people unite as one, the battle for love is already won. Drums keep beating like a heartbeat strong. Every struggle turning into song. From the ashes hope will grow, like a river steady as it flows. So lift your voice, let the world hear you. Every dream you hold is true. The fire inside will light the road. Carry love and share the load. Fight on, stand up for the truth today. Let the music guide your way. Freedom shining like the sun. The fight for justice has begun. Stand up, loud and clear. Let the whole wide world now hear. When the people rise in song, the spirit of freedom lives lifelong. The sun starts to rise, hear the drum of freedom calling through the skies. Walking down the road with truth in my hand, trying to bring justice to this troubled land. Babylon's system try to pull we down, but the roots of the people stand firm on the ground. Every ghetto child with a dream in their eyes, looking for a day when the pressure dies. Hear the guitar cry like a rebel sound, spreading revolution all around. Freedom fire rising tonight, shining like a burning light. Stand together, don't divide. Let the truth be our guide. From Kingston town to the mountains high, voices of the people reaching to the sky. No chains can hold the righteous man, walking proudly with just plan. Hear the drum beat echo in the street, every heartbeat moving with the reggae beat. Children singing hope in every tone, dreaming of a world they can and call their own. Brothers and sisters standing strong, turning every struggle into song. Freedom fire rising tonight, shining like a burning light. Stand together, don't divide. Let the truth be our guide. We'll be living every street, moving to the reggae beat. Old men singing wisdom songs, teaching where the truth belongs. Young hearts burning bright and free, dreaming what the world could be. Hope is stronger than the chains, love is louder than the pain. When the people stand as one, the battle for justice is already won. Hear the rhythm in the night, guiding every step to light. Let the truth forever stay, lighting up the righteous way. Raise your voice and sing along. Let the freedom grow strong. From the roots the fire will grow, like a mighty river flow. Let the whole wide world now see the power of unity. Every drum beat calling loud, stand together strong and proud. Through the darkness comes the dawn, hope and justice march.